Hi guys, Joe here from Lawn Solutions Australia. Your soil plays a vital role in the success of your lawn. In most cases, some soil improvement is necessary to get the most out of it. Knowing the fundamental components to a successful lawn will enable you to enrich your soil to give your grass all the nutrients that it needs. Here are the 5 key components. Organic matter improves soil structure and also provides essential nutrients to plants and lawns. Grass clippings are a great source, as well as compost and organic composted manures. Minerals provide essential nutrients for your lawn. The 3 main minerals lawns require are nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. Air exists in pockets among the soil particles, which provides oxygen and also helps water to penetrate into the soil and drain quickly. Aerating your soil is a good way to improve the amount of oxygen to your lawn's roots. Like all living things, your lawn requires water. Water also contains dissolved nutrients essential to growth in a form that is accessible to plant roots. Living organisms range from microorganisms, some of which help root growth, to earthworms, which improve soil structure by creating air spaces and breaking down organic matter. Soils vary a lot because they have different proportions of these components arranged in different ways. This in turn affects the way they behave. There are 3 main soil types, being sand, loam and clay. There are also many different soil types in between these 3 varieties, like a sandy loam or a clay loam. For general gardening and lawn purposes, you can't beat a loam soil. It's got all the good gear and the right structure. Loam soil contains a mixture of sand, silt, organic matter and clay, providing the right balance of nutrients, oxygen, water and drainage, which are just what your lawn needs. It is important you know what sort of soil you have, as this will tell you what you need to do to improve it to get the most out of your lawn. To analyse your soil, you can carry out a ribbon test to find out what size and sort of particles your soil contains, whether it be sand, loam or clay, and in what proportions. Pick up a handful or core of soil and work it together, adding a little bit of water at a time until it is moist. Note the different textures. Sandy particles are coarse and easy to fell, while the smoother particles are clay, silt and humus. Now squeeze the sample and try to form it into a ball. If the soil contains a fair proportion of clay and humus, this should be easy, but if it contains a lot of sand, it will keep breaking up. Next, gently squeeze the ball to lengthen it into a strip or ribbon and see how long you can make it before it starts to break up. The more clay the soil contains, the longer the ribbon will get and the more plastic it will feel to touch. Soil ribbons can range in length from about 30mm to 100mm, with sandy soils being shortest, loamy soils in the middle, and clay soils the longest. If your soil contains a lot of clay or sand, you may need to work on improving them. The soil beneath your grass is the foundation for a well-performing lawn. If you don't get this right, your lawn will continue to struggle. If you think your soil base is good, but your lawn is still struggling, you may want to look at your soil's pH. To do this, check out our video on testing soil pH, where you'll get some good tips to get your soil into the optimum pH range. Check out the Lawn Solutions Australia website for more helpful lawn care tips and advice, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for tuning in to Lawn Solutions Australia, and we hope to catch you next time.